All right, guys, so today is iPhone day. Today we are unboxing all 4 colors of the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max and my first impressions. Now, if you guys have seen my channel, I am an iPhone 15 Pro Max user. I did upgrade to the natural titanium actually this time, and the rest of these are for some of my family members. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, let's start off, we'll go with black. Since I've been using black myself, we'll go with black. So starting off, let's go ahead and peel this up. There's one side, get the next one. All right, and this is my first in-person look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. All right, so the black looks very clean. I really like that a lot. Let's go ahead and actually set this to the side for a second and see what we get in the box. Now, I know you guys have seen a bunch of other unboxings, so you know that kind of what's inside. You do get your braided USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. You can kind of see the USB-C connectors right there. And in here, you get your paperwork. All of it comes in this little pill shape, but unfortunately, there are no more Apple stickers. I don't know why Apple got rid of the stickers. They're getting rid of one thing one by one. First it's the charging brick, or actually I guess it's the headphones first, then the charging brick. Now no Apple stickers, even though I don't use them, but come on guys, just put the stickers in the box, put everything in the box. But I digress. Anyways, that's basically all you are going to get right there. So let's go ahead and set this one off to the side. And I actually want to compare them side by side to the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the black titanium. So let's see. Right here is the 16 Pro Max, the 15 Pro Max on the right. So you can tell that the 16 Pro Max is a little bit darker, especially around the camera lenses, but they both look very nice. Now, like I said, this year I did go with the natural titanium, so that is something that I wanted to do. I've kind of wanted the natural titanium for a little while now, so I'm really excited to be using that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and peel this up. Now, you see you get 5 icons here. Of course, you get your action button, volume up and down, your power button, and that new camera control button. Now, I don't know why they don't call it a camera control button. They just call it camera control, but you hear that? That's a real button. It's not like the touch capacitive old home buttons on the iPhones or anything like that. It's a real button. So Apple, it's really weird that you guys aren't calling it a camera control button, just camera control. But guess what? I paid for it, so I'm gonna call it whatever I want. So anyways, let's go ahead and peel the first one up. There we go. Very nice and satisfying peel on that. Now, comparing them screen to screen, let me go ahead and turn this off. You can see here that the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is on the right, is a little bit longer. And let's go ahead and actually set them like this. And it's also a little bit taller, if you see that right there. So you get a little bit wider, a little bit taller. It's a little bit bigger all around. And then you do get those bezels, which actually, let's go ahead and turn this on. And I want to see how those bezels are going to look compared to the 15 Pro Max. But anyways, while that turns on, let's go ahead and open the next one. So we'll start off with the next one as white. So let's go ahead and peel these up right here real quick. Here we go. I kind of miss the plastic days where you would get, you take your knife, you cut it, everything wrapped in plastic. I kind of miss those days. But either way, let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, wow. That's a white color. I mean, I'm used to the white. I had that white or silver, I guess, iPhone 11 Pro Max. But this one is super white. I mean, if you take a look, let's just compare it to this sticker here. This thing is white, and that looks really, really good. Now, I know there's a lot of people that got the white. I still, like I said, am personally excited for natural titanium, but this white one does look very nice. It's actual white. It's not light silver. It's not anything weird. It's not off-white. It's like a white / pearlescent white. I really wish they would have done the same thing with the black one to make it just like black, just completely black. I think that would have looked really good. So Apple, if you guys are listening, take the black one, make it matte black. That would be amazing. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull that one off right there as well. And we'll go ahead and turn this one on so we can see, make sure everything is good to go. There we go. That one is on. Now, let's go ahead and go to natural titanium, and then we'll save desert for last. Now, I was going to go desert titanium. I'm not going to lie, but I stuck to my gut. I went with the natural titanium, so let's see if I regret my decision. You guys will see that right here on camera. So going over to the natural titanium, let's go ahead and peel this last one up here. All right. And the moment of truth. This is my phone. Oh, wow. Okay. I really like this a lot. Now, I think it's a little bit lighter than the other natural titanium for the 15 Pro Max, but I think that looks really good. And I've got a whole bunch of cases, by the way, for the 16 Pro Max. As you guys know, I'm an accessory channel, so all the cases, all the accessories, make sure you guys stay locked in, get subbed up. We are covering everything we possibly can for the 16 Pro Max. But anyways, this is the natural titanium. Let's go ahead and peel this up here. There we go. Very nice. Cut that one on. Oh, wow. This thing looks really good. I'm actually really happy with the way this looks. Now, some people say that it looks stale or it looks, you know, not finished or whatever. I think it looks super modern. I can't wait to check out all the accessories for it. I think it looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and set this one here. I got all these iPhone boxes here. Move all this. Let's go ahead and open up the Desert Titanium. So we'll peel that one up and this one up, and we will know if I regret my decision. So taking a look, okay, this looks really nice actually. So right off the bat, this thing has been really hard to tell what it looks like on camera. And in person, to me, it actually looks a little bit different than what it looks like on camera. It definitely has that little goldish / rose gold hue to it, but the sides of that are that nice gold looking color right there. So they definitely look really good. I really like the way this looks. Now, this one is actually my wife's. You guys will be seeing this one in my videos a lot, but you know, I really like it. However, I definitely am happy I went with the natural titanium, which, by the way, let me know what you guys did down in the comments below. I want to know what color you got, what size phone you got, what configuration. Let me know everything. What cases are you guys excited about the most? What accessories? Let me know all that down below. But let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit. I just want to move it all out of the way, kind of, and take a look. So here we've got natural titanium, we've got black titanium, desert titanium, and white titanium, which we forgot to peel this off. Here you guys go. There we go. Very nice. So let's go ahead and turn this one on as well. And let's see. So I really, really like the colors of these. Now, of course, they're not as vibrant as the iPhone 16 models, which I do wish we would get some nicer looking colors to where they're a little more vibrant, a little brighter, things like that. But other than that, guys, I mean, you kind of get what you get. These are the Pro models. I don't know if they think the Pro users, I should say, don't really like color or whatever, but Apple, if for some reason you stumble upon my video, give us some color. Make this completely matte black. This white, you can leave that alone. That looks really good. Natural titanium, you can leave that alone. The desert titanium, I kind of like the way that the renders looked a little bit more than the actual one. I want a little, it looks like the color was just sucked out of it and left like 2% color. I want to see it a little bit more vibrant. These are the really only two ones that I have a complaint with. I want to see a complete black. I want to see a little more vibrance here. This white one, I mean, this is like a piece of paper. This is like printer paper white. It looks really, really good. Natural titanium looks excellent. It looks very modern, very sleek. And, you know, just these two. So what I want to do is I want to actually take my black 15 Pro Max and compare it to the new 16 Pro Max to see those display sizes. So let me go ahead and actually turn this onto light mode because I keep everything dark mode. I don't like light mode at all, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to light mode, and let's go ahead and just open up a note. So we'll open up a note here. Now on this one, I don't really have anything else to test it with. Let's actually just go black so you guys can see. But if you take a look, let me go ahead. There we go. Okay, so right off the bat, on the 16 Pro Max here on the right, you can see that the bezels are definitely a little bit more narrow. Of course, the screen is a little bit taller, everything that I mentioned before. But to be honest with you guys, if you were to remove this from the picture and you were just to show this and you said this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, for example, let's just say you lied about it, said it was the 15 Pro Max, you really wouldn't be able to tell because, you know, I mean, the bezels, yes, they're a little bit slimmer, very nice, it's a little bit taller, but it's not like it's completely 100% edge to edge to where you don't see any bezels. And it was made such a huge deal about, really, honestly, these two, I mean, you can see the difference, but it's not the craziest thing in the world. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. I mean, do you see a crazy difference or not? Just looking at it myself, I see the difference. Nothing crazy, though. So, yeah, I mean, I'm really excited to get into these things. I'm really excited to check out that capture button, or it was supposed to be called, I guess, the capture button, the camera control button. That's going to take me forever to get used to and calling it that. And I've been hearing that people are hitting it just randomly while scrolling, and, you know, accidentally clicking it while holding it in the left hand or in the right hand. So I'll definitely report back with that. But, you know, so far, I think these look really good. I'm really excited to check them out. Definitely loving the natural titanium. And I'm excited. It's iPhone season, baby. Let's get to it. Let's get to all the accessories. Make sure you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel for all of the accessories that you guys want to see. And let me know what accessories you guys want to see. If there's anything you want me to cover, absolutely make sure you guys let me know. But yeah, with all that being said, guys, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, my unboxing of it, my first impressions of taking it right out of the box, opening them up, turning them on for the first time, and really seeing them in all the colors so I know which one I want. Now, I'm not returning any of these. This one is mine. This is my wife's. These are for my parents, actually. So before anybody goes in the comments, oh, you bought the iPhones just to return. No, none of these are getting returned. None of them are getting exchanged. They're all staying. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you get subbed up, and I'll catch you in all the accessory videos over the course of the year.